Okay, hey guys. So my lesson plan is about introducing the parts of a plant, specifically towards the third grade. So to start off this, I have a video for the students to watch. It is right here. It's very basic. It just goes through the parts of the plants. It's very general. So I noted here that later on in the lesson plan we will go further into detail. So next we are going to be using a website called Nearpod, and I use this, or I learned how to use it in EDU 123, and I really enjoyed it. Basically, you create slides right here. This is my side of it. But I create these slides, and students on their device, so whether it may be a phone, an iPad, or a Chromebook, they take my code and it appears on all of their devices, and I have complete control over where they go when they go to the next slide, and they have activities on it, which I will show you. So this is what mine looks like, and for them they will go to nearpod.com and they go right here. And they're going to put that code into it, and for mine it is ZRHLG, and then they're going to join, if this will load. Okay, perfect. So, welcome to the session. I'm just going to keep my name in, join session. So then I have it here, and I have complete control. So this is mine, and then if I go back, you can see what students are on there. So currently it's just me right there. So then I'm going to go to the next slide, and I have all the parts of the plants written down, their definitions, and then if I continue to go on, it says draw a picture of a plant, make sure to include all these parts. So then on the students side, they can draw their plant. This is a horrible plant, but it's fine. And then they could label, leaf. This is horrible, but I am not artistic. And then when I go back to my side, I can see what they drew. And then once I was done, I would just click submit. And then let's go on to the next activity. And then this is just a question, a little survey. It says, how do you feel about the parts of the plant and all their functions? So the students, well, once again, they'll respond, I know all the plants, what they do. All right, so let's just say that is ours, and then we're just going to submit it. And yada. So then we'll just continue to, okay, so this part is a video, and the teacher can decide if they want to present the video on every single device or if they just want to present it on like the smart board in front of everyone. So for this one, I'm going to do this device only, and it's just a video for them to watch. Next one, basically this was a questionnaire that the children are going to do, and so they fill that out. Which part of the plant carries water up and down, stem, next. Basically it just goes through and it shows everyone's score and everything. So then after the Nearpod, and hopefully that they understand all the information, they are going to independently read an article about all the parts of the plants. It's just more in-depth, and for some students just reading it over honestly really helps them understand it more. And then lastly, for some individual input, the students will then go to Socrative, and we're going to use the exit ticket option, and I'm going to put on the board what are the main parts of the plant. And students are going to have to answer this, so they're going to go to here, they're going to go to login, student login, and so I believe it says right here, Russo 8937, Russo 8937. So I'm going to join, and I'm going to put my name just as Katie. Okay, so how well did you understand today's material? Totally got it. What did you learn in today's class? I'm still all caps. The parts of the plant. Submit answer. Please answer the teacher's question. So my question, once again, is what are the main parts of the plant? So then I would respond with leaf, stem, roots, etc. And I'm going to submit my answer. And that's it. So then when we go back to here, I will be using the exit ticket and I will be using the quiz from Nearpod just as a way to assess them, just as two different ways of assessment. And then down here I have my materials, and so obviously they will be using iPads or Chromebooks or whatever they have. Nearpod is accessible on all devices. And then I have my resources, and that's the end. Thank you.